Those new charges have led to a new trial date for Shanna Gardner and a potential new trial date for Henry Tenon in the death of Jared Bridegan. Jury selection for Gardner, Bridegan's ex-wife, was supposed to begin Monday, but her defense team asked for a continuance after learning of Fernandez's additional charges. Investigative reporter Riley Phillips was inside the courtroom as the attorneys and the judge hashed out a new plan, and she continues our team coverage tonight. Riley, prosecutors said new evidence against Fernandez came to light this week.
Yes, the assistant state attorney said they try to make Shanna Gardner's defense team aware of this investigation into these allegations against Mario Fernandez Saldana, but they received new developments just this week, and because of this, the defense asked for more time to prepare for the trial.
Unopposed motion to continue the trial date will be granted.
Just days before jury selection was set to begin for the trial of Jared Bridegan's ex-wife, Shanna Gardner, Judge London Kite pushes it back another 8 months. This comes after Gardner's defense team filed a motion for continuance Thursday, and the same day, Mario Fernandez Saldana, Gardner's now estranged husband, was arrested on new charges. Fernandez now faces 2 counts of lewd and lascivious molestation of a minor. One of Gardner's attorneys, Kirsten Nelson, told the judge they first found out about allegations against Fernandez back in June 2025. But she says they thought those allegations were unsubstantiated and they did not believe law enforcement was continuing to investigate.
We knew part of the story, not the full story, nor did we understand that there were forthcoming charges.
As of the hearing Thursday afternoon, Nelson says they still had not received the new charging document for Fernandez and they want more time to understand this new information. Assistant State Attorney Christina Stifler did not oppose the motion to continue the trial. She says the Special Victims Unit has been investigating the allegations and they found new evidence just this week.
But we have disclosed this to them because of the very issues that they were bringing to this court. And we recognize there was potentially an impact on their trial strategy and their need to discover further evidence.
Stifler also says the state needs more time to prepare as well because the defense added more witnesses that the state has not had time to properly vet. Stifler proposed joining Gardner and the accused gunman in Bridegan's murder, Henry Tenon, on one indictment and try them together for what she called judicial economy as a way to save money. Judge Kite took the attorneys in another room to discuss potential new trial dates, ultimately deciding on May 2027. And Tenon's trial was supposed to start in March 2027 if a grand jury does choose to join Tenon and Gardner on one indictment. They will have the same trial. If you remember, this was the original plan for Gardner and Fernandez before the court severed their cases a few months ago. The next hearing in Gardner's case is scheduled for the end of October. Live in downtown Jacksonville, Riley Phillips, First Coast News, on your side.